నా పేరు మెహరీన్ నేను మీ మహాలక్ష్మి కృష్ణగాడి వీర ప్రేమ గాథ రిలీజ్ ఫిబ్రవరి 12th అవుతుంది డెఫినెట్గా చూడండి it marks my debut and I need all your love and support. I promise it's a complete entertainment package for all age groups and you all are really going to enjoy our film. I feel really blessed to be debuting with Nani under Hanu sir's direction and under the prestigious banner of 14 Reels. It is a dream come true to be debuting with such passionate people around me. Nani, he is Nani chala spontaneous ka, supportive, an amazing actor. He's very natural, and he improvises on the set, and he's very particular with not only the character that he's playing, but also the environment, and he's very careful with that everything goes well. So I got to learn a lot from him. Mahalakshmi చాలా ట్రెడిషనల్ అమ్మాయి మంచి ఫ్యామిలీకి మంచి వాల్యూస్ ఇస్తుంది. షీఈస్ వెరీ బోల్డ్, హెడ్ స్ట్రాంగ్, కాన్ఫిడెంట్ గర్ల్. షీఈస్ బబ్లీ, షీఈస్ ఎమోషనల్. And Mahalakshmi ki oka aim is to just get married to Krishna. She loves Krishna so much. Hanu sir is the kind of director who's very particular and who's very passionate. He's a very passionate director. When he's on set, when he's on set, he just doesn't care about anything else but that particular scene that we are shooting. If he's imagined something, a certain scene, in a particular manner, then he wouldn't say okay to a take till the time he gets what he wants. So it's like he extracts the best out of a actor. And also he really helped me being Mahalakshmi, because even off screen I was told to live like Mahalakshmi so that I could portray the best out of her. Vishal sir, like I say that all the technicians that have worked for our film, they are very passionate, they are very they're very particular, and everybody has they've worked so hard for the film to make it a complete entertainment blockbuster, like entertainment package, I would say. So the songs are really nice, and they are I always call the Krishna Gadi Veera Prema Gada songs very infectious, because you listen to them once and then you don't know, unknowingly you keep humming them all day long. So it was lovely working with Vishal sir and our lyricist KK Garu. My DOP Yuvraj Garu, he's really very passionate. He's actually, out of all the technicians, I would say he's my favorite. I would say that Yuvraj sir is like very silent, very cool on set. Because obviously usually everybody else, they're always panicking. But he is he maintains his cool however long a scene takes, but he maintains his cool, and and I would really want to thank him for making me look so beautiful and so nice on screen. Mahalakshmi is she is an amazing girl. Like, I am actually a fan of Mahalakshmi. And now she has everything. She has all the characteristics that make her a girl of anybody's dream. Like, you watch Mahalakshmi and you'll know what am I talking about. She is very lovable. My favorite song out of Krishna Gadi Veera Prema Gada songs is Nubante Nanuvu. It's a very beautiful song with a very beautiful meaning, and the song it's a story in itself about Krishna and Mahalakshmi. So it's very close to my heart. I'll try singing the song for all of you. I don't know how good am I at it, but I'll just try. నువ్వంటే నా నవ్వు నేనంటే నే నువ్వు నువ్వంటూ నేనంటూ లేమని అవునంటూ మాట